Hey guys, so if you have a Hyundai Palisade and you're trying to lift the windshield wiper blades, you're going to see that it's just going to hit. So we'll show you how to fix this. And this is in case there's, if you want to lift it up, if you're getting a snowstorm, or if you're looking to change the wiper blades, this is what you have to do. So you pretty much start the car. Then just turn the car back off and just lift this up and hold it up. And then you'll see the windshield wiper blades lift up and stay up. So if you have snow coming, just do that and then pick the arms up. Or if you're changing the blades out, you could do that too. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.